Welcome back. Breaking news coming in. The Indian Army is firing at Pakistani positions and multiple locations in Jammu. In fact, what we're hearing is that they're also using the new sniper rifles. Action is mainly being taken against Pakistani positions, violating the ceasefire against the Indian Army. Okay, so that's the breaking news coming in right now about Indian Army firing on multiple locations in Jammu. Consulting editor India Today, Shiv Guru, joins us for more on this. Shiv, over to you. Just fill us in with more details.
Well, the ceasefire violations are continuing at several points on the line of control over the last few weeks. Avantika, that's not surprising at all. The new element that India Today's reporters are bringing in is that a new set of sniper rifles that have been ordered very, very recently on an emergency basis for these frontline formations, including the American Barrett M95 and the Scorpio TGT from Italy, are both weapons that are now deployed over there. These are advanced sniper rifles, Avantika, that have been procured on an emergency fast-track basis because there was an absence of high-powered, long-range sniper rifles in many of these areas. Some of the weapons that the Pakistanis have are actually, more advanced than what the Indian formations and posts actually have. And so these weapons had been procured in small numbers on a fast-track emergency basis from the United States and elsewhere.
Right.
Now, one of these rifles, I don't want to give out too many details, but one of these sniper rifles, sports a rifle cartridge called the .338 Lapua Magnum, which is a high-powered, long-range rifle cartridge, which gives India a capability it has never had before. It's a much higher-powered, longer-range sniper rifle, more accuracy, gives more flexibility to our sniper, military snipers in these locations. So remember that many times Indian posts have fallen prey to Pakistani snipers. India still has a long way to go, but it's taking these small steps, and these new sniper rifles are very much in active service now in the current ceasefire violation retaliation that's taking place.
Very interesting. Shiv, thank you so much for joining us, giving us all the details about these new sniper rifles that are currently being used by the Indian Army on multiple locations against the Pakistani posts who once again are into ceasefire violations.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.